Hi, my name is Sophie. I'm a Danish woman married to a Korean guy, and together we have this little bibimbap mixed baby, Ella Sochin. Having a kid and raising her with the two different cultures is very interesting. I think it's very important that she know the background from the both countries. I love when my husband is singing this lullaby for her. It sounds like magic spell, like abracadabra, hocus pocus. And he had just told me that there is a museum that has recorded all these old traditional songs and music from back in the days. And we want to go there now. So come with us. Okay? The museum is Sori Seoul Museum of Korean Folk Music. It's an old traditional Korean hanok house from outside and really beautiful made. Inside, it's modernized and go 2 floors down in a basement. The whole museum has a very delicious aesthetic, and it's very well made, from storytelling to things you can touch and poetic details. They are sailing? Dori, 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 Dori. I just find that Hocus Pocus song. 잘자 우리 애기
멍멍개야 짖지 마라 꼴껴다가 울지 마라.
I really like the old Korean culture and got goosebumps every time I get introduced to something new. Oh, there's music in the door? Boom! I find that they had many more songs than I expect. It seems like they had a song for everything they did, working with the cow, harvesting, fishing, and so on. Okay, this was really fun. I can highly recommend this Seoul Museum of Korean Folk Music, Sori It's in the middle of the city, really easy to get here, and it's cold and nice temperature in there in these hot summer days. And it's very well explained, both in Korean and English, but also with paper cards, film, model houses, and I could continue. It's really beautiful. We had a really great time, right, Ella? Yeah! And it's for free. We will definitely come back. See you. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye.